Hey, all you cross-conservational campers, my name is Super Sniffer, and I'm going to teach you about olfaction. What's olfaction, you ask? Well, olfaction's ability to smell. Neat, huh? Well, since this week we're all learning about how scientists believe dinosaurs evolved into birds, I thought we could talk about how the fact for over 100 years, everyone actually thought that birds couldn't smell. Just what? Turns out birds may not look like they have as distinguished a sniffer as I. Does not mean they can't smell. Avian olfaction researchers like Gabriel Nevitt and Bernice Wenzel have proven that all birds have at least a little sense of smell. The amount each species can smell varies, but the wandering albatross has a super sniffer that almost rivals mine. It can smell the aroma of its food from almost 20 kilometers away. Some might even call them feathered bloodhounds. Bird species each use their sense of smell to help them in different ways. Some use it to help them find food, figure out which nest is theirs, and others, like the European sterling, weave aromatic herbs into their nest to attract a mate. Want to learn more about avian olfaction? Check out the links I provided after this video. Now that we're all brushed up on birds' sense of smell, let's use our sniffers to play a game. Ask an adult to help you. All you need are some fragrant items like garlic or roses, and a blindfold. I'm all blindfolded up. Let's get started. Yeah?
Just stay there, Super Sniffer. Here comes option 1. Take a big sniff of this.
It's a very strong smell. I think it's peanut butter.
Good job, Super Sniffer. Are you ready for item 2, Super Sniffer?
Already ready.
Take a sniff of this.
It reminds me of Christmas. It's a strong smell, but it's a little bit spicy too. Is it ginger?
Good job, Super Sniffer. It is fresh ginger.
I knew it.
Here comes item 3, Super Sniffer.
Hooray.
Take a whiff.
This is one of my favorite smells. Can it go on sandwiches?
Maybe.
Is it butter?
No, you're close. You could put it in butter. It's garlic.
Oh man, I guess my super sniffer isn't as strong as I thought.
Item 4 is ready for you. Are you ready for it?
Hopefully. Does this go on sandwiches?
You can definitely put this one on sandwiches.
Is it, does it go on burgers?
You can put it on burgers too.
Is it, pickle?
It sure is. Want to eat it?
Yeah. So good.
Fantastic number 5 coming at ya. Here it comes. Take a big sniff.
This one isn't as strong as the others. Can you give me a hint?
It grows outside.
Is it a flower?
It sure is. It's one of the pansies from your garden, Super Sniffer.
Yeah.
Okay, Super Sniffer, this one's going to be a little bit tougher since it doesn't have quite as strong a smell. Are you ready?
Oh, I hope my nose doesn't fail me this time. It got a little bit of spice. Is it hot sauce?
It sure is. Good job, Super Sniffer.
Yay!
Here's your final one, Super Sniffer. How's your sniffer doing?
It's doing okay.
Okay.
I think I can do this last one though.
Perfect. Here it comes.
got a very acidy smell. It's very distinct. It reminds me of my favorite chips, salt and vinegar. Is it vinegar?
You're right, Super Sniffer. It is vinegar. It's balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, I got most of them right.
Good job.
Wow, that was fun. You should let me know how you do. Send me a message and let me know what odorous items you sniffed and how many you were able to guess correctly. Okay, I'm off for now, but I'll smell you all next week.